now that he has the Dimensionator.
We will not lose your friends.
So, if Ratchet is an alternate dimension me, and Clank is an alternate dimension you, were we meant to team up too?
They do seem happy together.
Yeah. Guess being on my own is just what I'm used to.
Me too.
So maybe this is just
Temporary.
various.
Is all this fighting really necessary? Can't we talk about this over some lemonade?
No! The Emperor despises lemonade. Nothing should be sour and sweet.
Done with these guys. Nobody messes with the Morts.
The Emperor is truly the worst.
Interested in swarming your enemies with black holes of doom? Try the black hole storm. Come on back for upgrades when you level that up.
Oh shit, I don't have enough.
Glad to be of service.
Hey! Done picking on the little guys?
Stop that! You shall suffer with them.
More of the Emperor's forces are here for us. I mean, you. All of these rifts. The Emperor has become even more dangerous with the Dimensionator. All enemies neutralized. Your friends are safe.
For now. Let's go talk to Mort and find out what's going on.
You are just the best! Aw, Rivet. Sorry you had to come save us again. We tried to hold our own, fixed up the secret and everything.
But one of those dimensional thingamajiggers is blocking it from taking off.
First off, none of this was your fault. Second, leave the thingamajigger to us.
Raise her up!
By the way, say hi to Kit.
Hey there, kid. Any friend of Rivet is a friend of ours.
Hello.
That's Maynard, the Morts' helper bot. He'll lead us to the secret piece.
Shit.
Tell the Emperor he should come say hi
Ah, oui.
himself.
Right. Or not. Either way.
The Emperor's not just going after the Morts.
He is taking out all life on the planet.
Come on, we have to keep following Maynard.
Aí.
Surprise! Let's keep
Aui.
after Maynard. That is the last one. Keep following Maynard toward that seeker pit. So many ships. The Emperor's being very thorough. It'll be okay. We'll free the seeker pit and the fight will start going our way. It will. A nefarious dropship. Sure. Why not?
Oh shit, hi.
That's satisfying. All right, thingamajigger. Here we come. I am looking forward to examining that anomaly.
So, when I was with Clank, he.
It is just like what I imagined.
Kit? Kit! Oh, you're all right.
This is an electric sphere.
Ah, you remembered your training. What happened to Clank?
He's traveling to Argolis with Ratchet. You two have met?
He's been helping me take care of these dimensional anomalies.
Oh. So that explains why this all feels so familiar.
It does? Fascinating. Some kind of dimensional deja vu. Anyway, care to help?
Absolutely.
Does that spinnergizer look powered down to you? Maybe it could use a boost.
Zero gravity at my fingertips.
Does that spinnergizer look powered down to you? Maybe it could use a boost. That's intriguing. The spinnergizer converted the dimensional energy into action. Beautiful job, Kit. You're just as fast a learner as Clank.
How bad are things now?
Well, we're circling the drain. It seems that the dimensional cataclysm has been intensifying even faster than I expected.
I assume the Emperor stealing the Dimensionator and firing it recklessly has something to do with that.
Ah, that would do it all right.
So, what do you think of Clank?
Oh, talented, resourceful, very shy.
Agreed, agreed, agreed.
I can see why he'd be your counterpart.
Oh,
What does
shit.
that mean?
It's a compliment, Kit, to both of you. What do you think of Clank?
We have barely spoken, but I am glad my counterpart is a good guy.
You were worried about that?
It is a reasonable concern.
Well, it wasn't for me. You're good. No, great. So of course he would be too.
Um.
Look at you, Kit. You're doing work worthy of being cataloged in the archives. So, if Clank is with Ratchet, does that mean you're here with Rivet?
As we have been destined to be,
Is that what you think is happening?
I do not know. With Ratchet, we worked well together, but I was always worried about disappointing him, and I still am with Rivet. But it also feels like we already know each other.
Well, destiny or not, I hope Rivet realizes how lucky she is to have you.
Wow, feeling lighter already.
Oh. Okay.
I hope I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spheres left to find.
Ooh, so heavy.
Kit, you know that you've done better than I would have if I had been in your shoes, right?
What?
Ooh.
You went out into the unknown without a lifeline, doing the last thing you ever wanted to do. And you're succeeding. I could never have done that.
But you are. Trying to fill in for your father. Helping Clank and I navigate all of this. You are doing that. And succeeding.
In that case, go us!
Go us.
Oh, that's cute.
I am so proud of you. Well done.
I could not have done it without you, Gary.
Oh, that's it. Good.
Thanks a bunch there, kid. Now these jerks will really find out who they're messing with, don't you know? Mush, please.
Nice work. Want to blow that up?
I could be persuaded.
Not exactly a straight line to the battle cruiser, but that hurl shot should get us closer.
You break it, you buy it! It truly does not get more fun than that! Treat yourself to an upgrade! You earned it! Glad to be of service!
Oh shit.
I want to see how far you can go. Find out. I'm coming for you!
Look, that's a break of the cruiser!
Sorry to crash the party.
Oh, we. Oh, hi.
This should do the trick.
You there, Ribbit? We locked on the kid's signal. Trudy's coming to help. Just hop on her back.
Shall we? Activate your destructo beam.
The destructo beams?
Did he just say planetary devastation?
Ribbit, our equipment's going haywire. The cruisers are blasting straight through the planet's crust.
Those destructo beams can destroy an entire planet in mere minutes. The Emperor is going to wipe out all of Sargasso.
He can try. I'm not gonna let him destroy my home.
You leave the mothership to us, Ribbit. We'll keep her busy with our pesky sinker Pete.
You got it. We'll handle those battle cruisers. Shields? Ah, it just couldn't be easy.
Those shields are impenetrable to any weapon we have. I do not know how we will get past them.
Hey, we threw together some bombs out of our gelatonium stash that should help you take down those shields. Trudy can pick them up and toss them at the cruisers.
There are the bombs Mort mentioned. Let's grab one. Let's see how their shields hold up against one of these.
Take that, Emperor Nefarious!
Nice, kid. Let's keep it up.
I grew tired of waiting. All cruisers increase beam strength to 120%. I want Sargasso broken.
Oh, jeez. Things are rumbling and tumbling down here, Ribbit. We're all counting on you two.
Sargasso is becoming unstable. We must act quickly and destroy the other battle cruisers.
This is for Sargasso.
Concentrate all power on the planet. Destroy it all.
likely win just in time to cross you off the list. Off to Zordoom prison you go. Oh, who needs tradition? Let's spice things up.
We appear to be in a pocket dimension.
Luckily, the all-knowing Emperor didn't realize I know exactly how to get out of him. No, too far. Come on, Rips, work with me here.
You two seem to have a lot of history.
Yeah, you could say that. I've fought a long time to win our galaxy back. Lost friends, my arm.
The Emperor did that?
Oh, not exactly. It happened during a mission. I found a secret entrance into the Emperor's tower. So I tried to sneak in, alone. The door was right there. I didn't notice one of Nefarious' warbots was nearby. I thought I could run. I wasn't fast enough. Then it just stopped. I got away before it could finish the job. But I built myself this cool new arm, so it's not all bad.
Rivet.
That's fine. Hey, look! An exit! Check this out. Hey, Ratchet. Sargasso's safe and sound. Well, mostly. Any good news?
Oh, good. We talked to Quantum and got a bug off of him. Guess who can listen in to the Emperor?
Let's meet at Zerky's. This might be our chance to get ahead of them.
You here for weapons or ammo? I'm betting both.
Ay, ay.
Bye now.
Feeling good about this one.
And now for a message from your Emperor.
My people, I did it. At long last. The pirates are vanquished. The resistance is broken. And this galaxy is finally mine! That's it.
No music?
Where's the joy? The bliss? The murderous enlightenment? Why don't I feel any different?
Because you equated happiness with success. And now that you've achieved it, life is meaningless.
What could you possibly know about success, you... That's it. I haven't really won yet. There are still so many other dimensions waiting to be conquered.
Good luck finding them. It took me years just to figure out the coordinates for this one.
That's because you forgot the first rule of road tripping. Always bring a map.
A map. The dimensional map. In the archives. He's going to Savali. You catch all that, Rivet?
Got it. We'll meet you there.
No way. It must be Nefarious. The archives held the dimensional map, correct? Yeah. Rivet. Kit. Emperor Nefarious destroyed the archives. We're gonna check inside. See if he got the map.
The archives have been destroyed? Where is Gary?
I'm not sure. Nefarious forces ahead.
I do not believe I have been.
We knew he was gonna.
You are not allowed to be... Time to struggle.
Did I do this one yet? I don't think I did.
Well, it doesn't look that impossible.
Ah, the Captain Star Shield? What the fuck? Ah. Really?
Gotta be heading for the archives. We have to get there first.
He is overusing the Dimensionator. The boundaries between the universes are coming undone.
So now we've got Bone Goons?
Bone Goons.
Bone Goons. Oh, well, shit. Okay.
Is it just me, or are these guys creepy?
Incredibly disturbing.
Owie.
Hey guys, I think the dead are rising down here.
I'm sorry, what?
Hurry, Ratchet. We must get to the archives.
We've got it covered. Don't worry about it. Bye. That rift will take us inside.
Oh.
Come on. Oh no. Rivet, the dimensional map's gone. The Emperor must have gotten here first.
We're coming up on his flagship. We'll get it back.
Are Gary and the monks safe?
We'll find them. Good luck up there.
Based on the structural norms of the Emperor's ships, we should find high-value assets on the upper level.
Let's hope the map's up there.
Oh, there it is.
How did you get here?
Your security's terrible.
Oh, well, shit.
To mark the occasion.
We're here for the flagship tour. We don't need a ticket, right?
Oh.
We must scour the remaining archives. Think of the treasures within. Weapons of unimaginable power. Lost episodes of Last. Those baubles are useless. The map is all we need. The rest can learn.
Wait, does that mean he has the
something useful.
Has to be here. We just need to keep moving.
You made a big mistake boarding this ship.
I was just gonna take it for a quick joyride.
Never. For the Emperor.
Owie! Ow!
Emperor Nefarious. I've been waiting for this. Wait! Huh?
Oh, it's you. I hoped you'd find me. Oh, sorry. Coming back to one's body mid-meditation. Oh, that's smarts.
What are you doing here?
The Emperor captured me after he discovered I'd hidden the dimensional map in an anomaly.
So he doesn't have it yet.
No, but he's opening rifts willy-nilly to get to it. It's only a matter of time before he's successful.
Ratchet.
Good news and bad news. Bad news, the Emperor's not here. Good news, we're with Gary. He says the map's hidden inside a dimensional anomaly.
In the catacombs, you can get down there by activating the excavation towers.
You can activate them via nearby pressure locks. When a tower's beacon switches from red to green, it is working.
Distance? Hold on. Ah. That would have been nice to know before.
pressure plates.
I think it's turning on. Let's find another.
Oh, hey! Our creepy undead friends are back.
I really do not like the clicking sounds they make.
We're getting off this ship. Let's go, Gary.
Yes, good idea.
Meet you guys in the catacombs.
That's another turned on. Good thing Nefarious doesn't have a map to help him find the map.
Only one remaining.
Thought you said this was the way out. It appears to be the lower engine room. The layout of the ship is odd. Would it have killed Nefarious to hang a big neon exit sign?
Oh shit, motherfuckers.
We did it! Catacombs, here we come. Never thought I'd say that.
You didn't take a do no violence vow, did you, Gary?
Unfortunately.
That is all right. We will defend you.
Guess we have to go down. All right, let's get down into the catacombs. Is that the anomaly?
It is. This place is.
Huge.
If you can get us there, I will be able to get inside and find that map.
Gary, did we take a wrong turn? We're in a giant tube that smells like the underbelly of a snagglebeast.
The aqueducts. There should be a trail of goo that leads to the catacombs. It's a byproduct of it's not important.
Go! Right.
Ah oui.
Come on, almost there.
Ah, really?
Excuse us.
Just drive through them, Ratchet.
Oh. Oh, you bastard.
Come on, almost there.
We made it.
Hey, it's the monks.
We found the rift of their dimension and came to steal it. If you hold them off,
We're on it.
Leave.
You said it, pal. We gotta keep them away from the monks.
If it means we will never have to see a bone goon again, I am happy to assist.
You're right. The clicking is super creepy.
It has completely ruined percussion instruments for me. I do not like bone creatures.
Yeah, nope. Not a bit. Okay, back to being un-undead.
anomaly.
Gotta go. Stay safe, guys.
Ratchet, Clank, we're planet side. Find the map yet?
I will retrieve the map as quickly as I can.
You got this, Bolt. Meet you down there. We did not see the Emperor on our way out. I am afraid he is already underground.
Oh, no.
Do not worry, Clank. You have done this before. And now you are talking in the second person like Ratchet does when he is stressed. Oh my. No matter. Just take things one step at a time like Gary said. Fix the anomaly, then grab the dimensional map. A concentrated ball of boosted gravity. Amazing. Why am I so nervous about this anomaly? Because the dimensions are close to completely collapsing and ending all life as I know it. Yes, that is a perfectly valid reason to be nervous.
Oh. Okay. I didn't even see that fan there.
I know they are not real, but I feel like I should thank my possibilities for helping me learn about dimensionality. Thank you. Clanks? This knowledge, I feel like I am finally close to understanding everything and knowing how to save the dimensions. Hiding the dimensional map in an anomaly is quite ingenious. Well done, Gary. This quick. Gets a hold of the dimensional map, he could spread his terror wherever he pleased. He could take over everything.
Whoops, wrong one. Owie. I forgot about that.
Oh, thank goodness. This may be it. The final puzzle. The knowledge is tickling the back of my mind. This is where Ratchet would tell himself to take a deep breath. I must keep in mind that I have gotten this far, and statistically speaking, I am just as likely to succeed now.
Oh shit.
I have accomplished a great deal since arriving in this dimension. I will continue to do so. This anomaly will not stop me.
Oh wait.
I can do this. I will do this.
Oh shit. Oh, okay.
We'll have to fight the Emperor again, no matter what. But he will not catch us by surprise this time. Stop the cataclysm, and we are about to get the dimensional map too. Oh, things are finally going our way. Ratchet, I
Did it! Hooray! Now hand it here so I don't have to send your friend's head to Torren 4. Don't worry! I'll be hosting a viewing party of my victories. It's all
Come on, kid. We gotta.
Run.
Run! This is our last chance to stop him!
sorry.
What are you doing here?
Damn.
Zordoom. In a while. Hopefully there aren't any guards out here. Processing center should be just up ahead. Please still be there, you guys.
16 have been postponed to celebrate B-18's birthday. Please do not burst into song upon seeing B-18. He has caused enough disruption as it is.
Okay, I'll just end it here.